Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Who is she? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Dad. Grandfather. Mom. Grandmother. Sister. Conversation.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who is she?
She is my mom.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Who is she?
She is my grandmother.
Who is she?
She is my sister. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who is she?
She is my mom.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Who is she?
She is my grandmother.
Who is she?
She is my sister. Word quiz. Grandfather. Grandmother. Dad. Sister. Conversation quiz. they say?
Who is he? What is he?
He is my dad. What did Max say?
Who is she?
She is my grandmother. She is my mom. What did Max say?
Who is he?
He is my dad. He is my grandfather. You did it. You were superstar. Yay! Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.